Find another solution. Okay, so we're finding another solution to this differential equation, except this one gives us a point on the solution. So that means we can find a particular solution. Let's see here. We got dy over dx equals x over y. I'm just going to cross multiply here. And we're going to get y dy and x dx. And then I'm going to integrate both sides. I get y to the second, and then I have to divide by 2. And then on this side, I get x to the second, and I have to divide by 2. And I'm going to add c, because whenever you integrate, you need to have a constant. Now, we should have a constant on both sides of this equation, but I'm just going to combine the constants to be on one side. All right, so next I'm going to plug in 0, 2. Okay, so it gives us this point right here. So if I plug in the 2, I get 1/2, 2 raised to the second power. It is so good to write everything out. I know it's really arduous sometimes, but when you do things in your head, that's when you will most likely make mistakes. So try not to do that. That will be a 0, and so c is all by himself on the right side. And on the right side, I have 4 times 1/2, which is just 2. So my c is 2. So I'm going to plug that back into that c right there. Let's see what we get. We have 1/2 y squared equals 1/2 x to the second power plus 2. Now, it looks like all of our solutions are solved for y, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. Don't forget to distribute. We have x squared plus 4, and then we're going to square root both sides. We have y equals plus or minus the square root of x squared plus 4. So here it looks like we're given two particular solutions. We have a positive x squared plus 4, and we have a negative x squared plus 4, or square root of x squared plus 4. But which one is which? If I plug in 0 to either of these, do I get 2 for both? No, this one would give me a negative 2, so this one's out. The negative is out. What just happened here? I plugged 0 in to see if I would get 2. That's the point that is on our solution, which is this guy right here. And so when I plug the 0 into this, and then I get 0 plus 4 is 4, and then the square root of that is 2, then I have a negative. That'll be a negative 2. That's not a negative 2. So it has to be a positive one. So we're going to circle the A right there as our solution.